Right, let's have a look at this week's trades of the week for the week ending the 25th of January. Some great moves actually coming through, closing out for the week. And in fact, it's been a great month so far, being up on the month a good sort of 1700 pips or so at the time of recording this. And it's been trades like this one on euro dollar there. And what I'm looking at here is our indicators on a new charting application called Charting Center, which sort of browser-based application, and that's giving us a lot more accessibility, I suppose, throughout the day to opportunities just like this one. And you can see very clearly those indicators rotating from green to red to give us that short opportunity. So that was a short trade back from the 15th of January, slowly meandering its way down and then finally hitting target yesterday. And that euro dollar trade was 109 pip winner for us. Nice and clear, easy to identify, even now on a smartphone or tablet, as well as your normal browser application. So a nice 109 point winner there, and we're seeing a similar sort of result on Euro New Zealand as well. So having had a short from earlier on in the month, we've had a second bite at the cherry, if you like, and there's been a few trades like this where we've had a second move in the original direction where we've picked up a nice profit as well. This short here from the 23rd of January picking up a flat 100 point profit for us, entering only on the 23rd of January, so literally only a couple of days ago, but hitting target on those lows there just for today. So nice profits for us there too. Moving down to dollar yen, a couple of opportunities there over the last few days. So this first one back from the 11th of January, and strangely, it's very unusual this one having a second opportunity whilst we're still in the first, going on really nicely for an 80.9 or an 81 pip winner there on both of those opportunities. Exactly the same target there for 81 points. Really nicely going through and hitting target at the end of last week there. So really nice, unusual, I would say, to have two trades in quite quick succession there. New Zealand yen, let me just bring the chart up for that one as well, hitting target this week on the same day that we got a second entry at it. So again, kind of unusual getting this sort of second wave of opportunities there. The original trade back from the 9th of January, holding steady for quite a while after that initial move higher, again as those indicators rotated red to green, green sniper, buy on the close of that candlestick, eventually the market going on and hitting target on the 23rd there. So it's the Tuesday, and then another trade which also moving quite nicely, about 50 pips up on that one at the moment. But the original trade around about 110 pips profit there. And then finally a look to dollar Swiss, that buy back from the 15th of January, going through and hitting target there for a 101 pip profit back from the 21st of January there. So Monday hitting target there, 101 pips. So overall on those five markets, that's 6 individual trades hitting target over the last few days. That's approximately 580 pips. And as I say, at the time of writing, slightly incorrect earlier actually, up around 1,800 pips. That's trades that have been triggered, identified in January, and have already closed out for January as well. That's 1,865 pips profit. Now, if you'd like to find out more about trades just like this, in fact, learn the sniper strategy that I've been going through in today's video, so you can get on trades and identify them just like this using our scanning tools as well, you should find somewhere the opportunity on this page to register for one of our live trading webinars. Get yourself booked in for one of our live events, participate, use the questions box there, learn a strategy, and perhaps find something that's going to help you generate that second income. All the best, everybody. Have a great weekend, and catch you next week.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.